Accepting that you're looking for the Axie vastness coin worth assumption, or finding the ability of the Axie coin this excessively long worth guess, can be helpful for you. Our Axie unlimited quality coin cost check relies upon a significant specific examination and past execution of the Axie coin. Here we will endeavor to separate the capacity of Axie perpetuation coin for the accompanying 10 years as data gathered from the air inside Axie as a blockchain-based gaming stage. The Axie stage is somewhat guaranteed and worked by its players. The Axie clients can gain Axie tokens by playing the game and using them to pick the destiny of the game. Axie perpetuation has the help of the gaming and metaverse project that makes Axie coin strong. As a blockchain-based gaming association, Axie Boundlessness is managing various drives. Axie Unlimited Quality has associations with some tech goliaths like Samsung and Binance, as we found through Congeco. Axie Immensity has a confined full-scale supply of 270 million Axie tokens by the stream supply and response from the monetary supporters. The Axie Unlimited Quality coin series solid areas for looks the long stretch since its beginning date. Axie Tremendousness coin has shown wide advancement in the crypto market. Axie Boundlessness coin has given an unprecedented reappearance of its fundamental monetary sponsor in 2021. As indicated by its limited emblematic stock and metaverse backing. The inevitable destiny of the Axie Boundlessness coin looks empowering. The Axie Boundlessness coin costs prepared to a record-breaking high of 16,537 in November 2016. Since the Axie perpetuation coin costs are chasing after a plunging course various stages, and specialists accept that the expense of the Axie Boundlessness coin will continue to fill in the accompanying 5 years, outflanking the 500 mark, close to the completion of 2028 as all cryptos are down since January 2022. Axie Boundlessness coin execution is in like manner showing slow turn of events. There are strong possibilities that the Axie Boundlessness bull rally can again start in the mid of 2022. Axie Boundlessness worth assumption 2022. As indicated by our Axie coin cost guess, the Axie immeasurability coin can show up at a biggest worth degree of 11,754 by 2022. If more monetary sponsor are attracted to the Axie vastness project, the Axie coin expenses can take off. The normal expense of Axie vastness can be around 95.35. Also accepting there is any bad example, the base expense of the Axie perpetuation coin can be down up to 82.44 in the accompanying bull rally. The expenses of the Axie unlimited quality coin could flood more than our Axie immeasurability coin esteem. Prediction Axie coin worth estimate 2023. Axie Boundlessness coin has unprecedented potential if you have a long vision. As per our Axie Boundlessness coin cost conjecture, Axie Immensity coin can show up at a biggest worth degree of 14,578 by 2023. If there is a bull rally in 2023, the expenses of Axie Boundlessness coin could flood more than our Axie unlimited quality coin. Nevertheless, the common expense of Axie Boundlessness coin can be around 13,917. Likewise, expecting that there is any regrettable example, the base expense of the Axie Boundlessness coin token can be down up to 12,335. Axie Boundlessness worth assumption 2025. As per our Axie Boundlessness cost assumption, the Axie vastness coin expenses can hit another level this year. By 2025, we could expect a run-of-the-mill cost of 23,888 depending accessible example. Our most noteworthy expense assumption for the Axie Boundlessness coin is 25,960 in 2025, while the base worth level can be around 21,412. If the market gets bullish, might the Axie unlimited quality coin flood more than our Axie tremendousness cost guess in 2020 can be around 125,342. If the market gets negative, Axie coin worth assumption 2050. Axie Boundlessness coin has staggering potential if you will hold it to the extent that this would be possible. The year 2050 can end with a run-of-the-mill cost of 248,912. while the base worth of Axie immensity can be around 235,178. After such a long outing close by Axie immensity coin, various cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most outrageous expense should trade around 251,463. In case more monetary supporters are attracted to the Axie immeasurability, the center of between these years, the expenses of Axie tremendousness coin can be significantly higher in 2050 than our worth forecastus Axie's coin a siphon and dump in light of ludicrous unsteady approach to acting. Various dealers used to see whether Axie vastness coin is as far as might be feasible or essentially a siphon and dump, as we separated the previous execution of the Axie immeasurability coin. The Axie boundlessness is a phenomenal endeavor. The Axie boundlessness regularly siphons hugely and comparative dump right away. That is normal in the crypto market. The Axie boundlessness is an old endeavor with moderately various new altcoins. As we have seen on the various crypto get-togethers, Axie boundlessness is keeping watch, as far as might be feasible, due to crafted by the gaming social class. Axie perpetuation crypto expenses can take off in impending years. In any case, we need to remain by a couple of extra months to predict the destiny of the Axie vastness coin. More accurate Telecan Axie's coin reach 1000 as the Axie boundlessness coin siphoned significantly in 2021. Various crypto vendors are intrigued to know whether or not the Axie immeasurability token can contact 1000. As per our Axie boundlessness coin cost assumption, the Axie endlessness coin will hit a 1000 cap in the accompanying decade, for the most part in the center of between 2035-40. Accepting for the time being that you're looking for the 1000 center in present second, there is no sign that the Axie boundlessness coin can reach 1000 in decade. Regardless, in the crypto market, anything is possible. As we have found in the past, an unprecedented bull rally or bear rally can whip every one of the expense assumptions in a little while. In association with other blockchain associations and neighborhood, the Axie perpetuation coin could hit its 1000 center before our Axie immeasurability coin cost assumption. A couple of new associations and new drives may similarly construct the value of the Axie perpetuation token. Is Axie's coin a savvy hypothesis? As per the new spike in Axie immeasurability expenses, this coin has shown the way that it can bewilder monetary supporters with colossal returns. Axie tremendousness is one of the most notable blockchain-based gaming stages and high-level assets. The real use occasion of Axie unlimited quality make solid areas for it nature. As per our expense assessment, the long interest in Axie immeasurability coin radiates an impression of being a fair decision to consider, in spite of the way that the Axie endlessness coin cost gives off an impression of being bullish. Axie boundlessness coin and other cryptos are erratic and can modify their expense direction at whatever point. If you are a wise monetary supporter and like to make perilous hypotheses, Axie unlimited quality coin can be an exceptional choice. Cryptos are today the most significant assets, as well as the most unsecured too. In this manner, before going with any endeavor decision, do your authentic bet the board suitably. How to place assets into Axie boundlessness coin. There are various crypto trading stages that have been actually recorded.